Here, Johnny, this one's just for you. So to use Screencast-o-matic, if you go to the website, right, so when you go on there, if you hit start recording for free, so you can launch the recorder. Let's see. And of course, it'll come up in whatever language you want. Once you launch it, I think it might have to download to your computer. Let me see. Yeah, since I have it in it, I think it downloads to your computer. And then what happens is you'll have something come up like this. So once you launch it, you'll have this screen, and you can hit launch recorder. And what happens is you'll see a little dotted box come up that says you can record your screen, which actually is how I'm running this now. So once I hit the recorder, then I can pull up anything that I want to actually go over and talk about. Like, let's see, I'll pull up one of my documents here. Hey, look, Algebra 2. So if I pull up this and pull up whatever document, once it's uploaded to your screen, it's a lot easier to go over. And now I can talk about, oh, how we're going to do this and then cancel out these binomials or cancel out these. And it's real nice to go over, and you only have to hear my voice and don't actually have to stare at my face. So you can try it out. Let me know if you get stuck anywhere, but it really is pretty basic to use, and it'll show anything that you have up. Hey, look, your email. All this other stuff. Anything, all your tabs, whatever you want to show is basically what's on your screen. So all kinds of different things. All right, so that's the idea, but Screencast-o-matic is the program I've been using, and it works out pretty well if you want to give it a shot.